Hey there, do you want to make money easily with your phone? Today, I'm going to show you how you can do just that with a free Android app that lets you earn money automatically by simply receiving SMS messages. Imagine turning your wasted time into an additional source of income without any effort. Sounds good, right? Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our amazing money-making methods. We offer global opportunities for online earning, so comment your country below for region-specific videos. Now let's get started. So how can you make money while using your phone? It's simple, really. With the free Money SMS app on Android, you can easily and quickly earn money just by receiving text messages. All you need is your smartphone, and you're on your way to earning extra income without lifting a finger. Money SMS is a completely free Android app that allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS messages. There's no need to pay anything to get started, and there are no hidden fees. It's as simple as it sounds. All you have to do is register a valid phone number. Once you've signed up, Money SMS will periodically send you text messages since you're part of their network. The best part, you don't even have to reply or read these messages. The platform is designed for testing cellular networks, so you can sit back and let the cash roll in. Another awesome feature is the referral program. Invite your friends to join Money SMS, and you'll earn 30% of their earnings. That's right, you get to make even more money by helping others discover this fantastic app. When it comes to cashing out, Money SMS supports PayPal, WebMoney, and Bitcoin, making it super convenient to receive your earnings. Just imagine receiving extra money in your account while enjoying your time. Join thousands of users who have already taken advantage of this great opportunity and are making money while staying at home. Don't miss out. Download the Money SMS app now and start your journey toward easy earnings today. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. See you in the next video.